Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding custom cards to the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you swipe from right to left on your Huawei Band 8, you will see the cards. You can have up to 4 cards here. To change the cards, swipe down from the top of the home screen of the watch to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down to and tap on Custom Cards. Here you can see your current cards. You can reorder the cards by tapping the arrow button below the card to move that card up in the list. You can remove cards by tapping the X below the card. To add cards, tap the plus icon at the top. Check the box beside the card or cards that you would like to add, and then tap OK. Your new cards will now be added. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei watch tips and tricks.